Good morning, everybody. We are here today to do a fun activity that we call Teach a Robot to Draw. This is a kinesthetic learning activity that physically engages students in the learning process. So for this activity, one of us will be the programmer and the other one will be the robot. So we have Perla here today to help us. Perla is going to be our robot and I will be the computer programmer. The purpose of this activity is for the programmer to give the robot exact step-by-step directions in recreating a picture that only the programmer can see. The robot cannot ask any questions but must execute the commands as they are given to him. The only thing the robot can say is to please repeat a command. Okay. So I will give you the pen to start off with. And so you won't look at the picture that I'm using and I won't look at your drawing, and I'll try to give you really good instructions and we'll see what happens. Okay. Ready?
Right, I'm ready.
Okay, so I want you to start with your pen at the top of the page, maybe 6 inches from the right, and draw a straight line down to the bottom of the page. Next, I want you to draw another straight line parallel to that line, but farther to the right, about 6 inches to the right from that line, starting from the top and drawing straight down to the bottom.
Could you repeat that command again?
Yes, please put your pen at the top of the page, 6 inches to the right from the line you previously drew, and draw a straight line down to the bottom of the page. Okay, your next command is to draw a horizontal line about 6 inches down from the top of the parallel line that you drew, and cross the two lines like a T. Like a lowercase t.
Could you repeat that one again? I'm sorry.
Yes, about 6 inches down from the top of the page. Start on the far left-hand side of the page and draw a horizontal line that goes across the page. Okay, about 6 inches below that line, draw another horizontal line. Next command, in the bottom right corner of the page, please draw a circle.
Could you repeat that one again?
In the bottom right-hand corner of the page, please draw a circle. So in the top right-hand corner of the page, please draw a diagonal line that almost connects the parallel line to the horizontal line, or the vertical line, excuse me, to the horizontal line.
You want a diagonal? Oh.
A diagonal line. Now, placing the pen in the farthest top right corner of the page, draw another diagonal line that heads towards the bottom left corner of the page.
Could you repeat that one again? I'm sorry.
Yes, place the pen in the far top right corner of the page and draw a diagonal line that goes towards the far bottom left corner.
Okay.
Next, draw a circle in the top left corner of the page. Next, I want you to place your pen in the middle square and draw a diagonal that starts from the top left corner of the square and goes to the bottom right corner of the square.
Okay.
Now start with the pen in the top right corner of the square and draw a diagonal line going towards the bottom left corner. In the square that's on the bottom left-hand side of the page, draw a diagonal line that starts in the top right corner of that square and goes towards the bottom left corner. And your final command is to draw one more diagonal line that starts using that bottom corner, and it is in the top left-hand side, and you want to draw the line towards the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, is everybody ready to see how close her picture matches the picture in my hand? So, there we go. You did a very good job. Looks almost the same as the picture. We have a couple small differences, but you make an excellent robot.
Nice.
Thank you very much. So the purpose of this activity is to learn how computers need precise programming language in order to execute a command. So just telling a computer to draw a circle is not going to be enough. It is necessary to tell the computer where on the space that you need the circle to be drawn, the size and scale of the circle, as well as in relationship to other objects that are on the page. So this activity teaches us how specific our commands need to be when programming a computer or teaching a robot to draw.